Hello, I am Abdirahman Abzi and I teach Somali language as online. For the past 3 years, I've been teaching Somali and I met many students around the world. If you want to book my classes, I am sure it will help you a lot and reach your Somali journey goals. Because my classes are one-on-one, that means it's only you as a student and me as a teacher. In this video, I'll share my Ramadan routine as Somali native tutor live in Somalia, Mogadishu. Let's get started. I usually go to bed at 12:30. I know it's so late, but I'm always busy with some online classes from 9 to 11. When I come home, I relax and check social media. After that, I immediately turn off my phone and be ready to sleep. Since it's holy month of Ramadan, I have to wake up and eat sahur, so my phone alarm wakes me up at 3:50 a.m. I usually do snooze more than 3 times, and at last I wake up for taking sahur meals. We eat sahur meal together, me and my brothers, since I live with family. And after eating sahur, everyone goes back to bed, but now it's not for sleep because 20 minutes later it's time to go FAJR prayer. At 5 a.m. I get up and go to the mosque to pray FAJR prayer. Since I hate going to bed during the day, I came back home and sleep around 3 hours because I still didn't have enough sleep. At 9 a.m. I again wake up and now it's time to work. I start my day with brushing, taking a bath and making ready to go to the office. Luckily, my office and home is in between 2 minutes only. When I reach office, I start with saying Bismillah and start reading some pages of Holy Quran.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. إذا وقعت الواقعة ليس لوقعتها كاذبة خافضة رافعة إذا رجت الأرض رجا وبست الجبال بسا فكانت هباء منبثا وكنتم أزواجا ثلاثة فأصحاب الميمنة ما أصحاب الميمنة.
Then I open my emails to check if I am missing some important ones. At 10 a.m. I have an online one-on-one class. My class always lasts a complete 1 hour. After the class finishes, I relax some minutes and check social media again. When the time is 11:30 a.m., I stop everything and go back home because at 12:15 it's time to pray Zuhur prayer. After prayer, again I come back office to teach another online one-on-one class. This time, when I done the class, I go to YouTube and watch some videos. After a while, my alarm says it's time for Asr prayer. After I come back masjid at 4 p.m., I start to teach another one-on-one online class. When I finish the class, I have to go home and be ready for IFTAR because 6:05 it's time to eat IFTAR. It may be surprising, but my family don't like eating samosa, but instead we always start with some dates and water. After IFTAR and Maghrib prayer, I relax and stay home for a while. After that, me and my bro Muhammad, we go together to the masjid for praying Isha prayer and Tarawih as well. We come back home at 9, then we take rest before we go to bed again. I hope you enjoyed my Ramadan routine. Again, Abzi loves your support. To support me, you just need to hit the like button and subscribe for more. If you have questions about anything to start learning Somali, ask. I'll do my best to answer it. Waxaan idin rajaynayaa khayr iyo caafimaad. Ramadan Mubarak.